Hello and welcome to a quick demo video of TrendMonetizer, a breakthrough software that allows you to legally hijack and monetize traffic pulling content from any website or video within minutes and be able to instantly share or schedule them. These contents are used to drive massive traffic, leads and sales. TrendMonetizer also comes with social proof tool to skyrocket your conversions, plus a cloaking and retargeting feature. Let me show you all that real quick. On the main dashboard, we have an overview video that helps users navigate their way through the software. Now, TrendMonetizer is divided into three. We have the trend curation, trend hijacking, and trend monetization, with share and schedule options. So, let's start with the first part, trend curation. This feature lets users find traffic pulling contents by either clicking on any of the trending keywords or by entering a keyword on the search bar. So let's search for a trend. Awesome. Within seconds, our system has pulled off tons of articles that can get you massive traffic. This brings us to the second part of the software, hijacking. Now, we have tons of traffic pulling articles and videos here, but how can we make money off them? We simply hijack any of them by clicking message, that is the MSG button, and our software gives you access to it like it's yours. Awesome, right? All we have to do now is to customize the page. First, let's choose a message style. This can be social, banner, pop-up. You can also hide the message or redirect it. Next, we add a call to action, which can be a button. Social shares. Opt in for leads generation or none at all. Users can connect the leads generation form to different autoresponders, including Zapier. Leads can also be exported as a CSV file. Next, you type a message that will go with your call to action. You can also make this message more attractive by changing the color and display. Next, you can turn on the social proof feature, which will definitely increase conversion. Next, you can add your tracking pixel and script and save. Our system then takes us to the third part, which allows you to share or schedule these monetized content across multiple social media networks. Users have the option of sharing these contents instantly or scheduling it. Users can also track the activities of the content they've shared. Apart from social share, users can also get a unique link for this content and use it for their ads and promos. Our software gather advanced analytics from these links, including total clicks, views and leads collected. TrendMonetizer combines the power of trending contents and social proof to drive traffic, leads and sales to your business. So with TrendMonetizer, users can be able to generate trending contents, hijack these content and monetize them, then be able to share and also schedule. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you on the inside.